Hello everyone, and welcome back. Finally, the busy season at work is over, and I can feel all the build-up stress slowly leaving my body. Last month, I did a small project that has been inspired by a trend that I saw passing by earlier this year. I think the trend is called sneaky art, where people would secretly paint little art pieces all over their house until their partner would notice. I know that my husband wouldn't mind me painting on the walls, so I wanted to give it a try. The little twist that I'll be giving this is that I am going to paint only birds in unexpected spots until my husband would notice. The first unexpected spot that I picked is above the living room door, where I painted an Eurasian blue tit. I always loved watching the little tits waiting in line until it was their turn to eat some of the food that we left out for them. And the question now is if my husband would notice. I suspect not, because he easily gets distracted by other things. So, when did you notice that I painted the bird?
Like this one, you mean?
Yeah.
Well, it was the first evening when you painted it, yeah? Yeah, right away.
So, yeah, my husband noticed much faster than I anticipated. Maybe I should paint his keys on the wall too. I didn't want that to be the end of my project though, so I decided to keep on painting birds in different spots in our house, and like this, my husband would find a hidden surprise every now and then. The next bird is one of my husband's favorite birds, an Eurasian eagle owl. My husband was very happily surprised to find that owl here. The painting here in our bedroom is a special one. 2 years ago, right before we moved, we befriended a magpie. The magpie was mostly attracted to my husband. It was so special to be able to see that creature and all his mannerisms from so close by. That beautiful encounter will always be a fond memory of us. And of course, we can't leave the magpie without a shy little friend. As a medium, I first used acrylic paint for the blue tit, but for the next birds I switched to acrylic gouache paint because it dries a bit faster and it also has better coverage. I personally find barn owls very elegant and enchanting. As a kid, I fell asleep to the screeching of the barn owl that would fly around in the fields behind my parents' home. At night, it is a quite haunting sound. But once I saw the beautiful creature sit on top of the gate one day, I was happy to hear its presence at night. This next little bird is a nuthatch. I find them very amusing with their swift movements and their ability to seemingly bend into an angle. One of my husband's friends almost weekly sits on the spot next to this bird, so I made it a polite little nuthatch. It's almost impossible coming near the sofa without this little bunny claiming some food or scratches. And the last birds that I painted are sparrows. They fly around here in little groups, and I really enjoy their optimistic little songs. They make me think of my home village when I was a kid, but somehow the sparrows slowly disappeared there. And that concludes the painting. For now. Because I really enjoyed this project, and it's wonderful walking through the house and seeing all these little birds look at me. And also my husband really loves it. Maybe in the future I might paint some other animals too, as we encounter many beautiful creatures in our daily life. Thank you for watching this video, and I wish you a lovely day.
Arvi, kom.